The number one thing that we prioritize in is keeping the customer on the road. In order to do that, we developed the ASAP program. And one of the benefits of that is we have our own sourcing and distribution system that allows us to deliver these parts within a 24-hour period. And as far as I know, nobody else does that.
Since we've been in operation for so long and we have a lot of tenured employees, I think that our expertise and the knowledge we've got through years of finding our way, that we get the right part at the right price and we get it to you quickly. That's something we take a lot of pride in. We also have a real solid network of stores in a bunch of different geographic locations, so we're accessible to many different places. What makes the JX shuttle system that we operate very unique is the fact that it's one of a kind. There is not another shuttle system of this size and magnitude in the Peterbilt network. We're very fortunate to be in an area where we're very close to our parts distribution center, and we have access to that each and every day. We're able to order up till very late at night, and we run our trucks overnight to deliver those parts to our branches very early the next morning. And that gives us the chance to, A, give our customers next day delivery first thing in the morning as opposed to having to pay extra freight charges or have a delay in getting the parts. But it also gives our service departments to get what they need quickly to get the trucks turned out of the shop bay. So it certainly is an advantage to us to be able to plan our inventories based on having next day availability, which again, it's very unique for the entire dealership body. We have over 250 different vendors actually that we source our products from, and they range from washers to whole cabs and hoods for trucks. So, and we choose our vendors based on quality first and foremost to make sure that we're getting the best parts, the best opportunity for our customers. But secondly, we buy based on the relationships that we have with these and the support we get from our vendors. And since we buy from 250 plus different sources, it gives us that flexibility to choose just the very best to bring those to our customers. Our customer base ranges as wildly as our parts selection. I mean, you're talking from the very smallest of fleets, the single, truck owners, all the way up to the large, gigantic fleets that you see out on the road. And every facet of the industry we have our hands in. City bus, school bus, logging, dump truck, over the road, on highway, you name it, and we've got our hands in it. We're able to source and service any single facet of the business that you can come up with. We're actually quite proud of that. Our goal is simple. It's getting you the right parts at the right price at the right time. And if that's anything from nuts and bolts to an engine or a full-blown cab, we've got you covered.